Welcome folks, I'm Kendall with the Renos for Pros and Joe's YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and demonstrating the Halo QuickLink low voltage lighting system. These lighting systems come in both the 4-inch and 6-inch versions and are available in the slim line as well as the traditional regressed line. These fixtures also are available in the 0 to 10 volt dimming as well as phase cut dimming. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at both the slim line and regressed line in the 6-inch version. Let's get started. This is the slim line and this is the traditional regressed. We're going to start by opening up the boxes and taking a look at the fixtures themselves, and then we'll go through the entire contents of the slimline box, because outside of the fixtures themselves, the technology used and the components that come in the box are virtually identical. So let's go ahead and start with that. Let's go to the slimline first. We'll pull out one fixture just to take a look at what it looks like. This is what the HLB slimline fixture looks like in the QuickLink technology. As you can see here from the side, it is a very, very thin profile. And we can look here on the fixture and you can see that we have the switch here where you can click through the different color temperatures from 2700K up to 5000K. And you just click to the desired color temperature. We'll set this aside because we're going to come right back to it here in one moment. This is the traditional regressed. Both of these fixtures kits have a lifespan of 50,000 hours of illumination. They also come with a 5-year limited warranty, and they're also Energy Star rated. This is the traditional regressed fixture. This is a side profile of that fixture. As you can see, the technology here is the same. We have the same color temperature selectability here. Clamps here on the rear. Both of these fixtures are great for renovation and new construction when using a mounting frame, which is sold separately, and they're also great for any room in the home, including bathrooms and soffit areas, as both of them are wet location rated. As we look at both of these fixtures from the side, you can see that they have a very thin profile, meaning that they are ideal for installation in ultra shallow plenum spaces, and they're also both airtight and IC rated, meaning they can be in direct contact with insulation. Now that we've taken a look at the 6-inch fixtures themselves, we'll now take a look at the QuickLink technology and the rest of the kit. And for that portion of the video, we're going to be doing that with our HLB line, which is this box here. We'll take out the remaining 3 fixtures from the box. As you can see, we have one driver that controls multiple fixtures, and we have the Twist Connect technology that allows homeowners to install lighting 85% faster than traditional methods. We're going to demonstrate that here in one moment. Let's start by taking a look at the driver box. We've got a knockout here on this side, and then we've got 2 knockouts here on this side. And if we open up our panel here, you can see that we've got 2 slots here. This is the slide inside option, which eliminates the need for knockouts. You simply pop out this panel here, and this allows you to place your wire here in the slot, and the grommets here will hold the wire in place, and then you can just close the door back down without having to use the knockouts. Additionally, you can see that we have our Quick Connect technology here, which eliminates the need for wire nuts. You just strip your supply wires and make your connections and place everything back in the box here, and then your wire comes out here through the slide inside, and then you can close the cover down. This single driver controls all the fixtures that you see here, and it comes attached with this low voltage cable here, which can be up to 50 feet long. We're going to be using the Twist Connect technology here, which allows homeowners to install lighting 85% faster than traditional methods. And I'm going to be demonstrating that now to show you how all that works. So I'm going to lay my fixture down here. I'm going to take a look here, so you can see that there is a slot here, and I'm going to back this off, You can see that there's a channel here. For this demonstration, we're going to assume that you've already got your fixture installed, and now we're just running the wire to all the fixtures. So you're going to run your wire and get everything in place, and then you're going to place this piece here, and then we're going to place these two components back together, and then we're going to place them like this until we feel it connect, and then we feel it right there. So then we're just going to tighten down. Now as we tighten down, you're going to turn it until it doesn't turn anymore, and you can see that you have a snug seal there. Now we have made our connection and we're ready to go. So you just repeat this for each one of the fixtures here. I'm going to back this off so that you can see closely what we've just done, because on this piece you can see we have a point here that perforates our wire. This is the self-healing wire, which means that once we make a hole, it can seal itself back up. So you can see this is where we had our hole that we just made there with that connection. But as you can see, it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller there. So I'm going to do that one more time just to show you what it looks like. So we've got our wire in our slot here, and then we're going to twist it like that and get started. Make sure that you don't cross thread it. It should go on easily once you've got everything lined up there. And now we're just turning it, and now we've got it tight. So there's our connection there. And you would just repeat that for the other three fixtures. So now I've showed you how to connect these. I am going to go through the process with the remaining three lights, and then we're going to wire everything up, and I'm going to show you what these fixtures look like by illuminating them. Once we've got all of our fixtures connected, we do want to go ahead and install this end piece to protect the end of the wire there. So you can see we've got it pushed in there snugly. And then we just take this piece here and we just push it through like that. And we're ready to go. Okay, so we've got all the primary lights off in the space, and we're now going to turn these lights on here. These fixtures are dimmable down to 5% of the light's overall brightness, and we do have the selectable color over temperatures. Right now we've got all the fixtures set on 5000K. I am going to click through all the way down to 2700K on each one of them so that you can see as they get more and more amber. You can see this one here just changed. And then we'll click through on this one. See that one change. Same there. Same here. Let's take it up a little bit brighter. So this is what our fixtures look like installed. When you have these installed in your space, none of the wiring or the driver box will be visible. It will just be the fixtures themselves and the ceiling, and then this would be the only portion that you would see on each one of those. Hopefully you found this unboxing video both helpful and informative, and I'll see you on the next one.